when you do gulls, you're not just looking after them, you're also almost fighting for them, because you're fighting against people's prejudice, and it puts you in that sort of warrior mode, a bit like a mother protecting her children going into battle. Every time someone says something about gulls, you're sort of almost ready for a bit of a fight. So part of the reason I started is because you obviously fall in love with them, but the other reason is because other people don't do them. There seems to be, we've got quite a few wildlife rescue centres in this country, but most of them don't do gulls, or if they do, they're like a last thought. And I think there's this sense of injustice that you just want to back the underdog. So I thought this would be the one place where they come first instead of last. We started this about 2009. Before that I was doing wildlife rescue of other animals. But we just... but then just sort of fell into doing gulls, and they sort of took over. Because as I say, there's other places do other birds and animals, but there was nowhere else to take the gulls, so you end up like, do I send them to be killed or do I look after them? It's a simple choice. So and it's lovely when you do meet other people who love gulls, because they always seem to be lovely people with similar sort of outlook to me. I think people who like gulls like their feistiness and their naughtiness, so I think it attracts the same sorts of people. This is their quite sharp edges to the beak. He was alright for a minute. Right. So it's all done out of love, and it's hard work, and it's expensive, and it takes over your life, and you just hope that other people will start doing them as well, so that more can be rescued. But if they don't, at least we're doing our bit. I think I've probably rescued over 10,000 birds in the last few years. So I think I've done my bit for the population, because I don't know about other countries, but in this country they're on what we call the red list. So their numbers are declining drastically. So every bird that's saved is important. Whereas some people will concentrate on birds that, you know, are doing well in the wild anyway. But you can honestly say that these desperately need help, so that you feel like you're achieving something by helping them. Something like that. You've got to fall in love with them, haven't you? I mean, look at them. Gorgeous. Yes.